Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily add text to a photo in Photoshop, allowing you to create captivating visuals and personalized images. So begin by opening your desired photo in Photoshop. Choose an image that you want to enhance with text. Now, next is to select the text tool from the toolbar. It looks like a capital T, this one. Now click on your photo where you want to place the text and start typing. So for example, let's say fall. So you can adjust the font, the size, the color, and other text properties to match your vision. For example, we will change the font to this one. And then we can change the size here. See? And change the color here. Let's choose something orange. That one. And then you can also edit using these options here. This one. You want to make it bold, this. And then the size of the font, the alignment, the color, and text effects. You can add text effects here. See, so for this video, I'm not going to add a text effect. Let's click this one to apply all the changes we've made. So we will then place the text where we want it to be displayed. For example, here, and it seems like it's not visible. So let's add blending options and then enable the stroke. See, it's now clear. And after that, all you have to do is to click OK. So you can explore the text options to make your text stand out. You can add effects, outlines, and even warp the text to fit your photo style. And that's it! You now know how to effortlessly add text to a photo in Photoshop, opening up endless creative possibilities for your images. Adding text to your photos can enhance storytelling, create memorable social media content, or simply make your images more informative. So get creative, experiment with text, and make your photos truly unique. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add text to a photo in Photoshop. See you on my next video.